Hey guys, so today we're going to the junkyard. We about to do some work on the Beast, and with the Beast, probably gonna I'm trying to fix the radio because I need my music. But we're gotta go walk into pick your part right now. But when I get inside, we'll start the vlog off again from there. We just made inside the junkyard. I had to go to security and all of that. You can't really film all of that. But right now, we're heading onto the Nissan side of the junkyard. So we're gonna look through some cars, try to find which ones has the best parts for us. If not, we're gonna have to call this junkyard a loss. Maybe try to hit up another junkyard if possible. But this is the junkyard right now. There's even more back there, but otherwise from that, turn the camera back on when we get to the Nissan parts. All the trucks, well, SUVs, but you already know how it is. But catch you guys over the Nissan. Found the Nissan, guys. Oh shit! You just doing the engine? Alright, found a Nissan, guys, with almost perfect radio interior, just what I'm looking for. So, take off this grill, damn door closed, go on this grill, son of a bitch, bro, the door gonna lock on me in the junkyard. Door can't even stay open. But that's another story, you feel me? I took out all this glass. It's not even bad. This interior is, I wouldn't say it's not bad, but damn. Leather seats, same like mine. Let's go around the other side. See the whole junkyard. Come get used parts, anything. But hopefully this radio works, because mine with the aux system is not working so well. But I'm gonna put you guys up here first. If you guys can see me, sorry. But we're gonna take out this radio. Perfect aux cord. AC system seems to work. So first, you're gonna need a screwdriver, and you're gonna need a Phillips. And what you guys need to do is right under here, you gotta pry up. I don't know if you guys can see that very well. See, even my screwdriver is messed up right now. But yeah, guys, gotta pry up. Make sure the back of this is detached. The back right here is detached. So I'm gonna put you guys down real quick. But you gotta this back here. That's how you don't do that. But you gotta detach these. Screw it up. Take off the clip, then you take the two Phillips screwdrivers out. There's a Phillips in the back right here. Take out these. Right here, this flap. Make sure you guys reach up under here. Then you pull that out. Make sure that this comes out. And I didn't see it, but you gotta take out Phillips screwdriver, Phillips, and take out the screws right here and right here. You gotta take them out. One right here and one right here. Make sure you take that out. And then there's supposed to be two under here. When you take out the console, you guys gotta feel around. So you guys feel around in here and then try to position it just right. You try to get your head under there. And then take out these screws. So that's one. Sometimes these a little tricky. That's one. And then this one over here, that's to the right of it. Do the same thing. And take this one out too. It's coming out. Okay. And then that's forward. And all you guys have to do from there is don't pull up. You guys gotta pull straight out. So reach up underneath and pull straight out. And then in the back, there's 1, 2, 3, 4 clips. Make sure you take that one out. And the one for the antenna, take that one out. It's supposed to be on the side. And then don't forget the one on the bottom for the AC. So that one, the clip is on the very top. So you reach in, and you pull that one out too. And that's how you got the whole radio system out. So hopefully this one works. But what we're gonna do, we're gonna walk around with this. Dang, I know you guys can see me and I look really sweaty, but oh my God, hold on. But like I just showed you guys, took out the whole radio system. We're gonna go walk around and see if I can find some more coupes, because this one that we're in is a 4-door sedan. So we're probably gonna walk around with this. Probably we might, because you never know. It right here is a good find because it has the aux cord plug that hasn't been messed up yet. So probably gonna look at that, try to look inside, see if you see anything. No, not really. And we're gonna go home, clean this up, and swap over this radio into the other one if we don't find the coupe while we're walking around. But if I find the coupe, you guys are done with it. Guys, we've been having no luck. See, I found one coupe right here. There's 2 over there. But every single coupe that I find, this is what's happening. Everything is totally gutted out, all of that. But luckily, I saw one of my friends that was here, and I asked him, because I didn't really know, because you know how some cars are, they're very finicky with stuff. So I was like, since I got a coupe and I'm getting this radio from a sedan, will it still work? He was like, yeah, it shouldn't be different because it's a radio, you feel me? It shouldn't change depending on if it's a coupe or a sedan or any of that. So I'm gonna continue looking around for more coupes, and then from that we're gonna do that. But if it's loud, this big ass refinery, this refinery over here. But it's hot. We're gonna try to find some more coupes, but so far luck isn't looking too good. But damn, I'm thirsty, man. But oh shit, got a coupe over there. Go see this one not gutted. But you didn't know what's about to happen. Guys, we hit the jackpot, bro. We got the coupe, but not only is it a coupe, it has a fucking stereo system. Let's go. Almost same like mine, but we can do a little upgrade, you feel me? But it got the aux cord jack perfectly intact. everything all besides that. But guys, I think this is it. This might be the new baby. Yeah, man. But we're gonna go take this out before anybody tries to come and steal it. But we're gonna come and get it. I don't know. Tell me what you guys think in the comments. Should I keep both of the stereo systems that I picked up today in the junkyard, or should I take that one, bring it back? If it doesn't work, I think I could always bring it back. I'm not sure, but we gonna find out. You feel me? Oh, my bad. But I'm gonna take this one out, and I'm gonna, you already know what I'm gonna do after that. But catch you guys when I finish paying for all this crap. Guys, I got bad news. So we got the radio out. We're about to pay for the radio. Turns out the radio that I got would still work, but it's totally different from my car, because my car has CD changers, 6 CD changers, Bose audio, and also climate control, which is way better than what it was on that one. So the guy said, we can take out the heating system. Took out the heating system. Then I looked again, still wasn't the same thing. So we left it there, and now we're probably gonna go back home, go on the internet, try to find another radio for a reasonable price, because here they're charging $80-$90 for it, which I know isn't bad, but tending it came from the junkyard, we don't know what other stuff is wrong with it, such as the screen, like right here, the screen that shows the CD, all that. We don't know what's wrong with that, because it might even not even work with that. So it might be cracked, there might be other stuff, miscellaneous pieces that are broken. But first install video is not going well at all. But I'm glad that you guys are here watching the video, supporting me and all that. But we're just gonna try to, go look at that. But I'll catch you guys at home. Or if not, thank you guys for tuning in. And I'll catch you guys in the next one.
Yeah, man, a lot. I'm with Busy B. I ain't gonna lie, yeah, bro, inspired me. We always did the music.